Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Conveying is a process of transporting a material from one place to another over a stationary structure. Therefore, conveying equipment are those which carry material in a continuous stream with its distinct features like endless chain or belt. Conveying can be done horizontally, vertically, or inclined. When the equipment does horizontal conveying, it is known as the conveyor, and when it does vertical, it is known as the elevator. Conveyors are mainly used in mining, construction, and in some other industries. In construction industries, conveyors are mainly used for the concreting purpose. The advantages of using conveyors are it increases the output, it facilitates continuous in operation, it results in a time saving, and there are no waiting period. Some of the popular conveyors which are used like belt conveyor, screw conveyor, bucket conveyor, and aerial transportation. Belt conveyor is one of the most popular conveying machine. This is used when large quantity of the material have to convey over a long distance at a fast speed. The simplest form of the conveyor belt consists of a belt running over the pair of end drum or pulleys and supported at a regular interval by the series of the roller called idlers. These idlers are supported on the conveyor frame. The middle sag provided in the belt preventing the spillage of the material. Generally, rubber is the most commonly used as a conveyor belt. Belt conveyor having a various advantages like it can handle light as well as heavy, dry or wet and fine or coarse material. It can be designed to convey several thousand ton of the material per hour and for a distance of the several kilometers. It can be carry materials horizontally or the incline. It is light in weight than the other conveyors and it give a controlled discharge of the materials and the discharge can be controlled by the speed of the belt. Screw conveyor is widely used for handling granular or pulverized material. The quantity of material convey is less as compared to the belt conveyor, but at the same time the cost is also less. A screw conveyor consists of a helix mounted on the bearing at the end and at the intermediate point and is driven by the motor from the one end. The material enters through at the one end and is carried to the another end by the screwing action of the helix. The length of the conveyor is about 65 meter with an inclination up to maximum 35 degree. Bucket conveyor has a bucket in a V shape which are open at the top. They may be feeder loaded or may be dragged in through for the loading. These conveyor can be used for both horizontal and the vertical movement and also along the inclination. The length of this type of the conveyors are generally limited to a 25 meter due to the weight of the conveyors and the strength of the chain. This type of conveyor is mainly used in a coal handling where bucket elevator carry the material vertically. Aerial transportation through cableways, ropeways and tramways are often used with advantages for transportation of the material in hilly regions and thereby considerably reducing the distance of the transportation as well as cost of the transportation. A cableway is a single span system where the load is capable of being raised or lower at any point of the traverse, whereas ropeway is an extended cableways with two or more span, the load being passed over the intermediate towers or station for the long distance.